So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating Spotify app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating account sa Spotify or yung ating Spotify app. Then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa homepage, i-tap nyo lang yung inyong profile picture na nandito sa upper left corner. And then dito sa profile guys, i-tap nyo naman yung settings and privacy. So pagka-tap naman ng settings, i-scroll up nyo lang guys and hanapin nyo lang yung logout. So makikita nyo siya dito sa pinakang dulo or pinakang baba ng settings. So tap nyo lang yung logout para ma-logout yung ating account. And kung makikita nyo guys, automatic nag-logout agad siya. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-logout ng account sa Spotify app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.